Greetings, April 4th, 2018, a very important day in American history, symbolically and important in every which way for me. I was a senior in high school when Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King was assassinated, same as Bobby Kennedy, who surely was on his way to win the Democratic primary and probably have won against Nixon. And the war in Vietnam might have ended far sooner. Martin Luther King. Anyway, my work of the last, since late 1991, about 26 or so plus years now, continues on with the Under the Wing series and with the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art series. I've just finished the tile making on the 10th mosaic drawing of the Under the Wing series. I think it will look very cool. Of course, how the audience will perceive it is totally different than how I might perceive it. This is pre-grouting, and it's an example of how one person's junk is another person's art education treasure. I believe I had saved, if I'm remembering correctly, well, it could have been from the late music hall, but I think I had taken this off of the bottom of a rickety table I had for years, which I finally disassembled a few years ago. They work well up here, aesthetically. I don't remember where these two things came from, these rusted iron, like L-shaped things, but they fit on there. This was left in the exchange table, had a Goodwill sticker on the bottom, in the garage of the building where I live and work, and that is there now. So thanks to whoever left that. So on to the next phase, grouting. And I'm hoping to have this done for the April 11th Tolerance and Holocaust Education with Art program I'm leading here. Whew, yes, a lot of work. I've got to tape all the borders, which means lots of little pieces because angles are really different here and there. I've got 3 rolls of tape waiting to go. And I've got to buy grout and let the grouting begin. This is actually the smallest mosaic drawing combo of the